It's your G Beto G. I'm back today with a Tacoma trap beat. Today I'm going to be making a Tacoma trap beat. So my favorite tempo is 130 BPM always. So I'm going to be making a Tacoma trap beat. I'm going to launch my FL Studio now, and this is how I'm going to launch my FL Studio. I'm going to put my cursor like this, right click and open my FL Studio. As you can see, my FL Studio is loading. Very soon it will open, and it's getting to open, and my FL Studio has opened. That's it. First of all, I'm going to pick in my kick, and then I'm going to pick in my plucking chord hammer. And then I'm going to click here, left click, turn the mouse wheel up to channel 5, and then I'm going to click here on preset, and I'm going to pick this preset called should hit. Then I'm going to right click and press on piano roll. Seeing this one is not sounding very good, I'm going to pick another one again, and to make sure it sounds very good. Now I'm going to pick this one called a lesser seesaw. Then I'm going to right click. So I'm going to use this one to produce a Tacoma trap beat. Now this is how I'm producing my notes. I've created a 4 patterns of my melody now. I'm going to right click, hold it, and press Ctrl and B and copy right to bars number 8. Now I'm going to make sure I align like this. Then I'm going to pick a second melodies to make this one flows together. I'm going to click here, add, and pick FA keys. Then I'm going to click here, left click, hold it, and turn the mouse wheels right up to channel 6. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. This is how you create Tacoma trap beats. Then I'm going to add the foot reverb too. I'm going to add the foot delay too. Then on the first melody, I'm going to add the foot parametric key too. Then I'm going to add a foot limiter. It's good like this. Now I'm going to create my hi-hats by creating my hi-hats like this. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'm going to press Ctrl B and copy right to bars number 8 and press Ctrl A and pitch it up. Now I'm going to turn my hi-hat up and add the sound organizer. Then I'm going to click here and press piano roll to create my snare. Now I'm going to bring in my kick and start programming my kick now by right clicking and press piano roll. Open my piano roll. Now I'm going to click on my kick and click the boss icon by turning up to boss. That's it. That's my Tacoma beat. Now I'm going to click on the where they have written pattern 1. I'm going to click on the pattern 1. I'm going to click on the pattern 1 here. Where there is written pattern 1, I'm going to click on pattern 1 here. Then I'll just right click and split by chaining. That's it. Then now I'm going to bring the hi-hat. I'm going to bring in my snare. Where my first melody is, I'm just going to bring my first melody, my second melody. Then I'm going to click here, hold the left click, draw the mouse, just draw it, highlight it to the left, and press Ctrl B to copy it to make it longer. That's my Tacoma beat. Now I'm arranging my beat, spicing it up. I'm going to add an automation again by right clicking and I'll just click here. I'll just right click and create automation clip. Now let's listen to my hardcore Tacoma beat, but before my beat will end to the outro, I will continue spicing the beat before it starts. Now on my snare, I'm going to add the sound organizer. Thank you for watching. Let's listen to my full Tacoma trap beat. So I'll just press start. Make sure you subscribe. Tell me how you're feeling on the comment section. On this section, I've removed the kick, the hi-hat, and the snare. And it's into the outro. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and see you next time.